Here is my version of a low-carb ratatouille. 12 grams of carb in total per serving. So you gather all of your ingredients in one place. Now, when I went to build this recipe, I thought that it would be 2 servings, but it was way too much food for lunchtime, so it has become 4 servings. So what you're looking at here splits down into 4 servings of vegetables. Now, when you open a tin of beans and rinse them well in a sieve under a cold tap, use just half of them and use the other half stored safely in the fridge in another recipe. You decide your flavors. Do you want it hot? Do you want it tangy? Do you want smoked paprika? Or do you want fresh herb? I bought these new for the first time this week. Very tasty. Always use olive oil. Hardest part of the job is the chopping. Rinse them well. Chop them down to the size that you want them to be when you eat them. Measure out the olive oil. And that's pretty much all of the hard work done. Careful with that chili pepper, it's very hot. That's a sauteing heat for an olive oil on my hob. So soften these vegetables at the beginning. Squish the tomatoes, and when they're soft, you can then add in the rest of the vegetable because you want to keep a bite in your broccoli and your peppers. You don't want them all soft. Add a bit of lemon juice. Put the lid on, let them gently cook, and then prepare your protein. I did fish in this instance. Remember, sweetness cuts through the sort of the sharpness. And there's your ratatouille. I served it with fish. Have a look at that. You know, 1 serving is 12 grams of carb, but it's really filling.